Each of these creatures embodies rich narratives and powerful themes that reflect human experience, beliefs, and values. The phoenix, symbol of rebirth and transformation. The phoenix is a mythical bird, often depicted as bursting into flames and being consumed by fire, only to rise anew from its ashes. This narrative is rooted in various cultural traditions, including Egyptian, Greek, and Asian mythologies. The phoenix is a powerful symbol of renewal and regeneration. Its cycle of death and rebirth reflects the idea that endings can lead to new beginnings. This notion resonates deeply in various human experiences, particularly with personal growth, healing, and transformation. The phoenix embodies the belief in the cyclical nature of existence, emphasizing that life is a continuous process of change and renewal. This symbolism can be seen in many cultural and spiritual beliefs that honor the transformative power of death and rebirth. The unicorn, symbol of purity and spiritual power. The unicorn is often portrayed as a horse-like creature with a single spiraling horn on its forehead, associated with purity, grace, and beauty. It appears in various mythologies and folklore, particularly within European traditions. The unicorn is traditionally associated with purity and chastity. It is often depicted as a creature that can only be tamed by a virgin, representing the ideals of innocence and the natural world's connection to human virtue. Beyond its physical beauty, the unicorn's horn is believed to hold magical properties, able to purify water and heal ailments. This enhances its role as a symbol of divine grace and spirituality, embodying the connection between the earthly and the celestial. The dragon. Dragons are potent mythological creatures found in various cultures worldwide, from the European fire-breathing dragon to the benevolent, wise dragons of Asian mythology. Their representations range from fearsome beasts to wise protectors. Dragons often symbolize power, strength, and might. They can represent formidable challenges in hero narratives, embodying the adversities that must be faced and overcome to achieve greatness. Dragons also embody duality. While they can be destructive forces, wreaking havoc in tales, they can also represent creation and transformation. The Chinese dragon symbolizes auspiciousness and prosperity. This complexity mirrors human emotions and the paradoxes of experience. The mermaid, and so, too, symbol of beauty and mystery. Mermaids, often depicted as half-woman, half-fish creatures, are prevalent in the folklore of many cultures. They are usually associated with the ocean and often embody the mysteries of the sea. Mermaids symbolize the connection between land and sea, embodying the duality of human nature, our terrestrial existence, and our longing for the mysteries of the unknown. They transcend boundaries, representing both beauty and danger. Mermaids are often portrayed as enchanting beings whose songs can lure sailors to their doom, symbolizing the allure and peril of the natural world. Through this narrative, they reflect both the wonder and unpredictability of the ocean, serving as a reminder of the uncontrollable forces of nature. These creatures not only serve as fascinating elements of mythology, but also as mirrors reflecting our aspirations, fears, and the complex nature of reality. By exploring their symbolic significance, we gain deeper insights into the human experience and the timeless stories that continue to shape our cultures.